guys. We're waiting for the Paignton steam train, which should be up there in about 15 minutes. Said say cheese. Yeah, enjoying the beach at this time of year.
Beach.
Got your bikini on under there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
My tongue.
You're going to sing us a song?
What? We wish
A
you
thong
a
song.
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Christmas
There she goes. That should put viewers off.
and a Happy New Year.
Oh, look at that. Absolutely bloody fantastic. Here we are, we're waiting for the steam train. In the cold.
Freezing cold.
It's not that bad, but we're waiting. This should be worth it. We're going to share this with them. Steam as well. Well, that was the best waiting for, guys. We appreciate that. It's going to get warm now. This is it.